खुश आमदीद। वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल लर्न उर्दू विद अरुणा। हमने जो कल पढ़ा था वो था जीम, चे, हे, खे। आज जो हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं वो है दाल, दाल। In English it sounds like D. Dal. The next one is dal, dal. It also sounds like D. The next one is zal, 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 z. The next one is re, 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 R sound. The next one is re, re, re. It's also sound like R but little bit you can say with mouth. Okay, re. The next one is ze, ze, Z sound, ze. The next one is ze, se, ze. It's also like Z sound but mixture of Z and S. S. The tips is that start from here and then you can also write it like this, C. Okay, like this, but we write it like dal, same like dal, just a cap, zal, just a dot, and re, this line and this line and this line and this. Okay, so ade, ze, se. Thanks for watching my video. Like, subscribe, press the bell icon and share it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Take care.